welcome all. MB Will Killer, Gain Trading Crypto, welcome all, welcome retail fam. Today's last live stream before the holidays. I'm gonna tune in, I'm gonna go into the charts, check some altcoins, check Bitcoin, financial markets, CPI, closing in, what our next step is. Thanks all for joining in. Push on the like, share those thumbs up if you can hear me. We're gonna start up in a moment. Yes. Pum 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 pum. Thank you. What do you got over here? Welcome. Good morning, all retail fam. Let me see, what do you got? A7, good morning. Hello, Tony Lopez, ADC. Willem Dutois, Mario Top Dog, straight up AM. Ivan, Billy Cry, LP Man. Hey, bro. Are you working? What are you doing? I think that you're trading more than that you're working lately. Don't forget about your job, bro. Riv Pop, good morning. Atolik AM. And Nasidia, good morning. AM. Muhammad Ali, good morning, bro. Rob Gruer, GBO Bluda, Sonia, ADC, Gilles Defran. Good morning, Rita fam. Let's dive into it directly. So, okay. The ones that have been with me on the previous streams, and especially the last one, ta-da, it says, ta-da, there we are. When we were over here, what was it? At 55 or 54, ta-da. You know, you have to see it like this. When you make an analyze, and a lot of people think, oh, maybe he was lucky he hit this one. It's not like that, guys. And you know, it's also no need for me to keep bragging about what I do. It's about, I explain you guys into details why, what happens, and maybe I'll get it wrong sometime, but it's just not happening. So again, I really hope that I will get it wrong very soon, because it's freaking scary every time. It's scary to keep nailing prediction after prediction after prediction after prediction, and I will get it wrong. I will get it wrong sometime. I will get it wrong. I know for sure I'm gonna, because why? I don't own a crystal ball. I just don't own one. But until then, what's very important for me is that my community and the ones that believe in me and the ones that have been standing with me, the ones that have been joining me, the ones that have been helping me, they're making sick money over and over and over again, because they have someone to tell them when to be offensive and when to be defensive. And that's the only key to success, to financial independency. Because, you know, Bitcoin was over here in a lot of air. There was no support, no resistance. So to have someone tell you, wait a minute, we will probably go up over here, it's the difference that you make as a retailer in your money, in your portfolio. It's just what it is. Because on this bounce up, you can make it 10-20% just on spot, or 30%. Some even went higher. So you guys are feeling me. And also, by the way, guys, on Twitter this morning about RAN, guys, I see a lot of hate DMs and I see a lot of hate reactions also about RAN. RAN, I respect the guy, and I've said it now for years. I don't agree with his style. I don't agree with a lot of things that RAN does. And he knows this. I think that I'm the influencer that attacks the most influencers out there on FOMO, on bad, whatever it is. But he's the only one that has got the balls and has got the guts to point out someone out there that is attacking his thesis, and he's pointing him out and saying, listen guys, this guy is a great trader, this guy is a great predictor, whatever it is, what he's saying. But he's the owner. You have to understand that, I don't expect anyone to understand this, but I do understand it. Because it's very hard for an influencer that to point out someone else that has got a totally different view of things, and then, so in this case we were both hitting it, because he was also expecting this bounce. But so we were in one line on this one, so good for him. But that's why I respect RAN. And the fact that he's pointing out someone else, he's giving his followers, his community, the opportunity to also check out someone that has got totally other thoughts on how to trade crypto, how to invest in crypto, protect capital mindset, how to trade, etc. So you have to respect that, guys. That's a big respect that he gets from me on that one, because he's doing that. And there is zero other influencers that do that. And that's why he is the only one that I respect. So, okay, just to make that clear, that you guys understand that. Because, the fact that RAN and I have a good relationships on this one, it doesn't mean that if RAN does something that I don't agree on, that I'll stay silent. The ones that have been following me, they know this. If he says something that's I think it's totally wrong, I'll be the first one on Twitter to say it. And he knows this also. But he respects this, and I respect the fact that he does this. So, okay, guys, first of all, let's just get some things straight over here. Because Bitcoin, okay, fine, we hit this level. To the ones that all made gains, I already locked in some gains on my spot buy, so I took profits. I didn't share it on Twitter. I wanted to do it on the live, so I already took some profits on this rise over here when we hit the target, just like Shad. So I decreased my bags with, 30-40% profits from the block buys. So, but no, guys, this is my last stream, so I'll be not streaming for a lot of weeks. But it doesn't mean that I'm going to disappear. So especially for the traders and for the free private group members, you guys, I'm on the charts. I will be less on the charts, but the team is out there. So everything will keep going on. I will keep tweeting. It's just the live streams. I will not be making a lot of live stream, and I'll only make a vid when I think that it's very important to share that vid with you. And for the free private group members, trading goes on a whole year. So you'll see those charts coming up. So that's not going to stop. By the way, also a lot of questions about the free private group. Guys, the free private group, very simple. It's no science. Don't make it more complicated than it is. It's very simple. There is a trading group, a lot of trading course vids. You're going to learn how to leverage trade, how to protect your capital, how to do it the good way, the professional way. I'm teaching you all you need to know if you get into leverage trading. I will show you what tools to use. I will show you what the dangers are. I will show you everything. And it's a free group, so you don't have to pay a penny to get into that group. The only thing that we do require, especially the team, is that you trade on BLOFIN, OKX or Weex. The links are below. So if you are active trading, so not meaning that you're trading with a lot of some pennies over there, so we have to really know that you're serious about trading and you're really active trading over there, you just open up an account using the links below, DM us your UID, the team checks. Like yesterday, they checked like 3-4, they were active trading, boom, they were added to the free private. It's that simple. Also, the MW indicator. Remember this, guys. There will come a day that you'll read about this indicator on the news. This indicator is also free. I just don't need your freaking money. It's free. So when you trade on one of the links below, that's when you will get the code to this MW indicator. So it's also free, guys. You don't have to pay a penny. And for the ones that have been DMing me yesterday again, making those big gains on that bounces, guys, if you want me to be happy, just donate to charity children, helpless children in the world. It doesn't matter where. Maybe it could be a child, your neighbor. Because, you know, a lot of people think when I say children, they think about Africa, they think about children in war zones, and they do need a lot of help. So please donate to those children. But charity could also be, maybe you've got a neighbor that has got a daughter that wants a new bike because her father doesn't have enough money to buy her a new bike. You donate a bike to that, just make those children smile. So if you are, all those DMs, if you want to give me money, give it to helpless children in the world. We have our own fund of the team for the marketing, but you know, I don't care about marketing at this point. Just donate to children. I don't care whatever children or orphans or whatever, donate to children. So I don't need the money. So thank you very much. So now we're gonna really dive into the charts, guys. Now it's really about what's next. So first of all, we gotta talk about this one. I'm gonna show you guys this, guys. I wanna show you guys this one. This one I wanna show you guys. Look at this monster, look at this beast. It has been slowed down. And why has it, guys, look at this. Look at it, you know, it's almost always the same. CPI coming up. Just put on this damn indicator. Look at it. Boom, up. Boom, up. Boom, up. Boom, up. Boom, up. Boom, and we're going up again. It's mind-blowing. And guys, there's something that you also don't know. There are a lot of stock traders and index traders following me. Just try to imagine how much money these guys are making using this analysis. Just imagine how much. Do you know how much money this is? This is so much money that they're making over every month, again and again and again. It's like 17 months now. They're doing the same. Boom. Oh, wait a minute. CPI coming up. We have to go watch M Killer. M Killer, where's the damn indicator? Okay, tell us when. Okay, now. Okay, let's go. And a lot of people do the same on Bitcoin, because when this thing ramps up, Bitcoin does the same. But guys, this thing has been slowing down a bit. You know why it has been slowing down? It was because of Powell. Powell has been talking again, whatever, and he has been saying, listen guys, he has been saying, we are, even if inflation numbers will be coming down, we are not going to cut rates very soon. They're even not expecting any rate cuts in July, and they're preparing for September now. So those rate cuts that are talking about, the Fed is very clear. But let me get you guys my honest opinion. Because I don't think like what the media, what CNN, CNBC, Bloomberg is telling me. No, I've got my own thesis. And if you would think about it, you would agree with me. It's very simple, guys. Powell, the only thing that he has been doing the past year, 1 year and a half, he's defending the USD. That's all that he's been doing. People are talking about inflation up, down, job results, PPI, core inflation. It's all about the USD. That's all. Powell is protecting the dollar because he knows the moment he starts cutting rates is when the dollar will get in danger. And, you know, I understand Powell, because if people would understand what the impact will be, they would also agree with Powell. Because if Powell would just start cutting rates, I've said it before, the dollar is surviving, it's sucking the life out of the yen. It's sucking the life out of the euro. I can show you guys that on a chart, but the stream will be too long. I'm not going to do it now. But the US dollar is surviving from the yen, is surviving from the euro at this moment. So if they will start cutting rates, things could turn around. It could have a big impact on the US dollar. So that's what Powell, because when I see Powell speaking, that's all I'm hearing. Because why? I know what the narrative is. And, you know, you got the whole show around it, the job results, the this result, the that result, the that, whatever. Fine, guys. Just believe that. It's all, in my opinion, one big circus. Because at the end of the day, it's just one thing. Defend the USD. So we're just going up as expected. You guys are seeing this. So it's nothing changed. It's just like on Twitter. We're waiting for what's going to happen next. That's all that we're waiting for now. So waiting for Thursday, we'll get a bounce. Maybe even before the CPI, we'll start seeing a dump. So keep that in mind. Keep that in, because Powell has been slowing them down. And also there came in some new numbers about debt, about whatever, also have been slowing down Wall Street at this moment. But I think that Wall Street will, you know, we're now at the critical levels. Now we're at critical levels. So we've got today and we've got tomorrow. There will be a lot of volatility. There will be a lot of ups and downs. And well, we didn't reach this target, but let's see what's going to happen. But I think that if Powell didn't speak and didn't do, and those numbers didn't come out, we would be at much higher levels at this moment. So the data and the news has been slowing it down. But so that's now for enough. Now we're heading into critical levels, and that's also when I start taking profits, just like Jess said. I started taking profits, but we could get this last run up. So I'm preparing for that. About Wrecked Season 4.0. Wrecked Season 4.0. Guys, you have to be patient. You know why? Because I have to see what's going to happen today, and I also have to see what's going to happen tomorrow. And based on that, especially for the free private group members, I will share when Wrecked Season 4.0 is going to start. So I will share a lot of charts over there. So Wrecked Season 4.0. But you have to also keep in mind, we still have the ETH ETF coming in. If the SEC, guys, this is really bullish. ETH ETF, this is bullish, but we also have to keep an eye on what, because we're seeing a lot about the German. It's not all about Germany dumping Bitcoin, but what happened to Mt. Gox? We're not reading a lot about Mt. Gox these past days, and those could, out of nothing could, boom, there they are. So keep in mind that Mt. Gox is also at the corners, guys. They still have a lot to dump. So we're gonna take it day by day. So our analysis stay the same, just like they did in the previous stream. But now we're gonna take it day by day, because now we're really at the heat. We did our analyze, we planned. Now we are in the believing, and I need to believe. I don't believe yet. When I believe, that's when I will start striking. That's when I will start striking. I wanted to show you guys something else also. What I want to show you guys. Oh yeah, this is also one that I've been eyeing for now. Listen, on the weekly, this one. This is, this one on the weekly is holding. You see this? It's holding. And you know why it's holding? Because we're probably not going to get a rate cut. It's holding. And guys, this weekly indicator over here, it has been holding. Boom, 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 boom. Guys, you know, the Powell could destroy this thing down. Back to this box. If this happens, if this goes down, bullish for the markets, bullish for Bitcoin. But this thing, if it's going to hold, guys, if it's going to destroy, because you have to see it like this. If this one goes up, it will destroy this one. You see where we are at the euro? We are at my resistance level. I've been sharing this thing for like months now. Listen, rejected, 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 rejected. If we'll get another rejection from here and it comes down again, it will destroy Bitcoin and the markets, especially Bitcoin. It will destroy it. So keep this in mind, guys. This is a very, very important chart. And let me show you guys also this one. Listen, this is why the US dollar is staying so strong. It's sucking the life out of the yen. Are you seeing this? We're in the blue box, by the way, for the Forex traders. We're in the blue box. Yes, you know what that means. So soon, soon, the alarms are set. Soon, very soon. So guys, you have to keep this in mind. So if this thing gets rejected, this thing will ramp up. So let me show you guys another one. Let me show you guys another one that's also getting into. You see, this is the one that I'm looking for. I wanted to retest the indicator over here. So if this thing comes back over here, it will give some more bounces on Bitcoin. Maybe Bitcoin will reach 61, 62 if it matters, because we still didn't close below the 200 EMA, guys. So if this thing will end the day above it or gets over here, this will also, if this thing starts ramping up, if this thing does something like this, helmets. That's all I can say. Put your damn helmets on. If it'll just get wrecked and comes over here and retest, it's also bearish. So in the best case for Bitcoin, so Bitcoin believers, crypto believers, if you want that crypto is going to make a nice rise up, this thing needs to get destroyed back into over here. If that will not happen, Bitcoin will not rise. That's just how it is. So also I've got this one. We're heading into the retest. Guys, this is dangerous. So keep an eye on this one over here, because Bitcoin, we still have some space to go up. We still can go to the 60, 62K because we didn't hit over here, retested the breakout of the 200 indicator. So if it does something like this, look at it, boom, boom, boom. And then over here is wrecked season 4.0. This is wrecked season 4.0. But you know, we have to take it day by day. We have to take it day by day. So we still didn't reach those levels yet. So we're waiting for it. Let's see what our Bitcoin shorts have been doing. You see, rejected, rejected. Bitcoin making a bounce, and those creeps are over here closing their short. So let's see, can they get back again, or are they also going to hold on to the indicator over here? Okay, guys, I think I said enough. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys this one, especially listen, guys, I'm gonna show you guys something. This is normally only for free private group members, but I will. This is in the trading course, but I will do it now. I will give you guys some insights in trading, how to make money in trading, because yesterday, while we still were waiting for the bounce and a lot of people making a lot of money on the longs, the free private group made sick money in like 1 hour on this coin. And I will explain you guys exactly. This is trading course material, what I'm gonna show now, how to make money trading, because that's what I am. For the ones that are in this stream that don't know me, I'm a trader. I'm no bag holder. I'm no shiller. I don't own a lot of bags. I'm I never been paid by any altcoin out there. I'm a trader. I don't care. I only focus on how to make money today. That's all there is. So today I want to make money. That's it. So every day, again and again and again. I don't care what if Bitcoin goes to $1 million or Bitcoin goes to zero. I really don't give a damn. I just make money every freaking day. So I'm gonna give you guys this trade. I'm gonna give you guys some insights how to trade this and how to read it and how to make a lot of money trading it as a professional and not as a noob or as a wrecked sheep. So guys, push out some likes, share me your questions. If you got any questions, share me your altcoins if you want to, because this is the last stream. I'll be very good for you guys. I will make it a long stream, so I will answer every question and I will try to do a lot of altcoins. But the second part of this vid is going to be a long stream, so I don't care if people don't want to watch it, just don't watch it. I don't care. It's not my money. It's your money that you're losing. So it's your own choice. So I'm gonna make it a long stream and I'm gonna explain you guys exactly how the team yesterday made sick money, a lot of money on this trade. So I'm gonna explain you guys the style and the insights, how you do that, because a lot of retailers in the free private also are not understanding how this was created. So I'm gonna show you guys that. Put those likes up, share the vid. I'm gonna give you guys 10 seconds and you all know what I'm gonna do now. Thank you. Guys, I'm seeing a lot of questions over here. I think that you guys need to focus on what I'm gonna say now. What I'm gonna show you guys now is very important. You will not find this on the webs. So I suggest you focus on what I'm gonna show you guys now. Normally I don't, this is my last stream. Well, no problem. I will do it. Normally I would do this in a trading course vid for the free private group members. I'll do it openly this time. Okay, guys, I'm gonna explain you guys a lot about this. And guys, forget for one moment. I'm seeing a lot of this, that, although that. Well, we'll get into that in a later stage. Focus now, and I'm gonna explain you guys. Just focus. This is how you can make money. This is how you're gonna make money like a professional. Because this example that I'm gonna give you guys, you can do this in the future on a lot of altcoins. It's how you make money. Focus on how to make money. A lot of you guys are too focused on a lot of other things. Focus on how to make money. This, I'm gonna show you guys now how you can make money as a pro. Listen very good. Listen very good what I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm gonna take you with me in the mind of a professional trader. So I'm gonna take you, it's like a time machine. I'm gonna take you into the mind of a professional trader. XAI. This XAI coin had a 70% token unlock. 70%. That's sick. That's also the reason why we saw this dump on XAI. You see this? 84% dump. Why was this 85% dump? It's because there was a big unlock coming. That's also why you see me on Twitter posting a lot of times, guys, when you see certain influencers talking about several altcoins, and I'm seeing in the data that there are a lot of sellers out there, I keep warning you, be careful. It's also the reason why a lot of times when you guys start telling me, well, sorry, I'm very bullish on it. Well, it made this dump up, this dump down. Ambi, should we buy in for the next level up? I will tell you, no. I'm not interested in any altcoin that's at these levels. I'm only interested in altcoins that are at bottom formations. But let me get into the mind of a trader. Just let me show you guys what's going on. Listen very good. Focus what I'm going to show you guys now. So this dump already happened before the unlock, because over here was, okay, the unlock is coming in. We need to sell those bags as soon as possible. So over here we had this is a big dump, guys. So over here what happens is when the token unlock gets very near, that's when retailers will see on the news and will see on Twitter, big unlock on Acces is going to get wrecked, 70% is going, etc., etc., etc. And then what do retailers do? Retailers, they always trade based on what they read on the news or on Twitter, or their favorite crypto guru has been telling them, or whatever. So that's how retailers think. And that's when market makers will step in. Because over here we dumped over here, and then retailers, yeah, well, the unlock, it's 2 days, 3 days. Oh my God, I need to sell my Acces. Oh my God, I need to short Acces. Okay, you're gonna short Acces, boom, liquidated. Boom, liquidated. Boom, liquidated. Boom, liquidated. That's just how it works. If I would be a market maker, and I know that a lot of retailers are going to short Acces, because why? Because they think the unlock is coming in 1-2 days. Not think, it's facts, but they will short it. They will start destroying you totally. That's just what they do. It's not because they're bullish on Acces, no, because they can liquefy you. Okay, well, you know, as a professional trader, I already know this. I know that this is going to happen. I know this. So what did I prepare my team to do? I told them, guys, this thing will probably ramp up by the market makers. They will start to liquefy those retailers. They will do it. What you guys need to do, you need to be prepared. So when they start liquidating them, that's when you guys need to get filled on your shorts. So not over here, when they start liquidating them, because I know how market makers work. They will liquefy them and then they will dump it down. Then they will start selling again. And that's exactly what happened yesterday. I shared this in the free private group, and the team has gotten, you know, they got them filled like, because in leverage trading always DCA. So they have gotten filled like 30% or 35% of their short, because it didn't hit this line and this line. If this line was hit, it would be much better. And this is how they made 5 figures. That's simple. It's that simple. And you know who the ones have been paying the team and the free private group members that also took that short? It's these guys. They, you know, leverage trading is a skill, not a shill. If you don't know what you're doing, just don't stay away from it. Because leverage trading is, you know, it's maybe what I do best. You have to be very careful. They will liquefy you. So they made this. So listen now to what I say. What's the most important things that summarize it? When a big token unlock nears in, you have to first of all go watch the funding rates, because the funding rates will probably be minus. So it means that shorters will have to pay longs a lot of money. So if you're shorting, you're gonna get wrecked twice. They're gonna wreck you on the funding rates, and they're gonna wreck you on your short. So don't just go short or long anything based on what you read or what you see, because it goes much deeper. You have to be skilled, you have to be educated, you have to know how to read markets. So don't just trade leverage because you think you're going to get rich. That's not how it works. You need to be educated step by step. And this is how we made those gains. So kudos to those that all made that money. And let me dive into you guys. What do we've got? What do you got? What do you got? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Tornado Studios, good morning. You're the best in city learning and fun from your posts on Twitter and streams. Thank you very much, Tornado. Let me know. Week, hello, retail fam set up after two for I always say, you can watch Ren for the FOMO hypes because, when markets go up, he nails everything, and he, most of the time, because he's got a big community, you'll see the bumps up. And you have me on the other side to warn you when to sell. Just like I predicted the previous 2 dumps, one day I released a vid, like I released it today, tomorrow the market's dumped. The first one to 56K and the second one to, for 52. It's just one day before the dump, I shed them. So use him for your FOMO feelings, use me for your defensive feelings, so when to be very protective and to get out of the markets. That's just how it is. So let's see. Can you check FTM Phantom, please? Yes. Okay. Let's first of all start with let's see FTM. I think it's over here. It's over here. I already talked about FTM, by the way. So let's see. Where is my FTM? Guys, it's now all about you, and then we're gonna close our last stream. So I'm gonna try to do a lot of coins from you guys. FTM. Let me see. Why am I not finding it? This is FTM. Let me see. FTM. Well, guys, it's I think that most of you guys that are in here have the indicator. As you guys can see, it's kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. Well, we are at next kaboom level over here. It's that's the simple. But my target for FTM, I already said it. My target for FTM, if I'll get hit, I get hit. If it doesn't get hit, well, so be it. It's 30 cents, 31 cents, 30 cents into this box. That's my level for FTM. If FTM wants to go up to 60 cents first before it comes down, so be it. But for me, 30 cents, that's my target, and I will not chase FTM down. Maybe trade it if I see some breakout trade or whatever. But on the macro, for my spot buyings, it's just say 32 cents and lower. So that's for, cost, please, cost. By the way, yesterday I had a meeting with a team. I had a meeting with a team that wanted to partner up with me. It was a nice meeting. I will not give their names, who they were, but it was a nice meeting. You know why it was a nice meeting? Because they are into costs and mining costs, etc. And while we were in that meeting, I told them, listen, guys, I just gave my team the call to short Caspar, and they made a lot of money. And then it was very silent at that moment. They were so angry about me saying that. I told them, guys, that's just our style. So Caspar, guys, it's very simple. Caspar is at ranges that I would never buy. The only thing that I would do to Caspar is short it. That's the only thing. I can give a call for Caspar to short if I see that the moment is there. For now, Caspar, guys, just look at this. Who would buy a coin that's over here? And I'm not saying that it couldn't go up more. It can go up more. It can go up more. It could make maybe another 2x from here in the most bullish case, or a 3x. But I'm not interested in this. This is what I'm interested in. I keep repeating myself. This is what I'm interested in. This is what I'm interested in. Coins that are at bottom formations. This is what I'm interested in. You see this? Flux. This is what I'm interested in. You see this? Cello. This is what I'm interested in. And you've got this one, near. This is what I'm interested in. Because these coins are not over here. You have to see it like this. Let's just compare Caspar to Near. Near is, in my opinion, it's in my top three altcoins, by the way. I'm not getting paid to say this. I don't know Near. I don't have any contact with Near. I don't own Near. I own zero Near at this moment. Zero Near. Look at this, guys. Caspar is over here. Near is over here. So if you had to choose between buying in Kaspa or buying in near? What would you do? I'm trying to get into your freaking minds. Just, Kaspa is over here. This is where Kaspa is, chart-wise. This is where Kaspa is now. And this is where near is. And just compare near to Kaspa at this moment. What do you think? What do you think? Would you buy Kaspa or would you buy near? Or would you buy VeChain? Guys, we are in the markets. Listen to what I'm saying now. We are in the markets to make money. It's all about money. It's not about near. It's not about Kaspa. It's not about Bitcoin. It's not about Ethereum. It's not about VeChain. It's about nobody. We are in the markets to make money. And if you want to make money, if you have that mindset without being a believer in whatever project, only believe in making gains. That's why our channel is called Gain Trading Crypto. Why would you buy a coin that's over here if you can buy, in my opinion, a much stronger fundamentally coin over here? I don't know. I really don't get it. I really don't get it. I really don't get it. I'm shorting Ton will not ever dump. Ton is, with Ton, the cooperation with Telegram, they did really good and they're releasing. If Telegram will allow Ton to get them a stable coin over there, because Telegram is a very famous platform. So, Ton already left the station. It's also at very high levels. So I'm not so interested in Ton. And if you want to short, shorting is not because you're gonna short something because it went up. No, shorting is a skill. You have to be doing your research. And I've been teaching you this in the free private group. So if you want to learn when to short something, I can share 1,000 coins that are ready to get shorted. But I have to be careful because I've got a responsibility to not get anyone wrecked. That's my responsibility if you do it like I share. So when you see me sharing an altcoin, a trading setup in the free private to short, know that I did a lot of research and I made sure that it's the safest trade to take. I will not only share something because I feel like shorting it. That's not how it works, bro. That's not how it works. When you're on holiday, yes, guys. The only thing that's going to be different when I'm taking a break is that I will not be as much on the charts as I have been the past weeks and months, and I will not be doing any live stream. That's the only difference. I will keep sharing my tweets on Twitter on daily basis. I will keep doing my thing in the free private group on Telegram. I'm just here, guys. I'm not disappearing. I'm not going anywhere. I'm still bullish. No cues. I'm still bullish after Bitcoin. It's very good that you're bullish. I love those people that are bullish. And to be honest, we also have been bullish the past days. So kudos, congrats. Just take profits on the way up. The lines you draw, should we replace which points are we looking at? I don't understand. This one, Goedemorgen, Raf, Top Dog, Neutron, OGN, Trump, LRC. Well, Muhammad Ali, thank you. Neutron, OGN, Trump, and LRC. Those are a lot of coins. But let me just say, Neutron, I'm very bullish on Neutron, so if that thing dumps down, I will be buying a small OGN also. Trump, also possible, if you're going to follow the on LRC also. Mohammed, you are at 4 coins that I like, all 4 of them. So let's see, how are you trading the event tomorrow? Brief Pop, how are you trading the event tomorrow? That's something for the free private. How am I trading it? Most of the times I'm not trading. I trade ranges. Riff Pop. So when volatility hits in, it's range trading. So especially for the team, what they do is I made a trading course vid about this, by the way. Range trading. You just get it. Range trading. This is range trading, by the way, guys. Let me just give an example to you guys so you understand as a trader. Range trading. What is range trading? Range trading, for example, you put it on the 1 hour. Let me give you guys just an example. You put it on the 1 hour. When events hit in, suppose that this is the range. This is the range. I'm just giving, guys, this is just an example. This is the range. What the team does, what I've been doing when I was leverage trading is very simple. You put in those buy orders, you short over here, and you long over here. And you'll travel, this is range trading. You travel the box down. That's range trading. And when volatility hits in, the most of the time you'll see this happen. And that's how you make the most money. And what you do is you protect yourself from getting wrecked is by over here is short, over here is long. Over here is short, over here is long, and you keep. I made a free private. I made a trading video about this. So range trading is the answer for events. That's how it works. Okay, let me see. What do we got? No more Metis, CQT, Peppercoin, Ash. Bro, Mozart. I really love Ash. What do you think about DOT? DOT. I already shared that in my previous stream. Let me see. I haven't seen the WXT token chart on TradingView yet. I haven't checked it to be honest. Super is getting wrecked, super wrecked, just like I told you guys it's going to be wrecked. I said it and I said it and I said it. It's okay. Let me do. I'm gonna do 3 more and then we're gonna close it up. So let me first of all do what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do OGN. Because OGN, guys, OGN is one of those coins that I'm really, really bullish on. Why? Because it's super wrecked. That's why. Listen, guys, this OGN thing. Listen, this is at all-time lows against Bitcoin. Look at it. Look at this. Yes, you know, it's gonna happen like a lot of times happens. I talk about altcoins that nobody's talking about, and then I show you guys the charts. And then out of the sudden, like, you see it made a 5x, a 10x. And then, oh, well, OGN is going to the moon. Yes, yeah, I've been telling you that 10x ago. Now you're going to buy in. Wow, we already made a 10x. Oh, yeah, MB, yeah. Guys, this OGN thing, let me show you guys on the USDT pair. Look at it. It's already in my box. It's already in my box. Did I do this on my updated charts, by the way? I don't know. Listen, guys, for me, it's very simple. OGN, I'll be buying this thing if it dumps down 0.6, and the lower it goes, the more I buy. Because if Bitcoin starts dumping, this thing could dump more, but I don't care. I just buy and hodl. So this is for me 0.7 until 0.54. I just buy the blood. If the blood happens, I'll be buying. And the lower it goes, the more I buy. Because we are already at wreck levels on OGN. I really don't care. Let me see what you've got. Also Peppercoin. Someone is interested in Peppercoin. Peppercoin, you know, Pepper because of let me see, what do we got over there? We got this one. Pepper, guys, it's an I think Pepper is an ETH. Yes, it's an ETH. Where is it? Where are you, Pepper? Why are you not showing? Where's, oh, here's Pepper. It's an ETH meme coin, and well, I'm not interested in buying any Pepper or investing in Pepper. I'm against meme coins, by the way, for the ones that don't know me. But the only thing that we did is we made millionaires out of shorting meme coins. That's what we did. So for now, Pepper. Well, Pepper. Yeah, what do I need to say about Pepper? I really don't have no clue what to say about Pepper. What do I need to say about Pepper? This is the resistance zone, as you guys can see over here. So that's about Pepper. I really have no clue what to say more. So let me do Ash. I want to do Ash. Where is Ash? I want to do Ash. I want to do Ash. Where is my Ash? Where is Ash? Where are you, Ash? Where are you, Ash? This is not where are my altcoins? My altcoins. I want to do Ash because Ash, guys, this Ash thing, where is it now? Where is it? Where is it? Let me remove this one. Ash. I want Ash to dump. Ash isn't dumping enough. And there is a reason for that. I understand, because I'm so bullish on this Ash. Guys, I really, you know, it's very hard for me, but I really hope that Ash will get down to this 15 cents to 13 cents. I'll be buying a lot of Ash. It's like said over here, I shared this one, 14 to 10 cents. I really hope that Ash will dump down, but Ash is showing a lot of strength, guys. So, you know, if there is one coin that I'm a tiny bit afraid of to not get filled, it's Ash. But let me tell you this, if Ash breaks out, I will trade it like crazy. I will trade it like crazy. But for my spot backs, I really need this thing to come back at 16, 14, 10 cents region. So that's about Ash. I'm super bullish on Ash, guys. Polkadot. Polkadot is just for me, every dump I accumulate and buy a little bit of that one. What is this? What do we've got over here? We've got Other than how this trade without fear. Thank you. That's it, Top Dog. It's just, you know, it's a title of the vid. Don't be fearful, guys. Don't fear markets. Don't fear. If you know what you're doing, just do it. Don't fear markets. Don't be afraid. You know, I've been calling these past 3, 4, 5 weeks, buy the blood, sell the bounces. Can you guys even imagine how much money retailers following me have been making? Because why? Because they believe in me. When I tell them sell the bounce, they sell the bounce. Even if the price will go a bit higher, when they sell like 30, 40, 50%. So they still have like 40, 50% left. But they believe in me. And every time when I tell them buy the blood, they're not afraid. There was one guy, he DM'd me, told me, Ambi, you know, I didn't buy the blood, lost blood. And I could have made 20, 30% on this bounce. I told him, are you watching my streams? He said, yes. I told him, what did I say? I told you, buy the blood. Every occasion, buy the blood. DCA. I'm not telling you to go all in, but buy blood. Doesn't matter. And then he told me, yes, I believe in you, but to do it, I'm too afraid. And that's why the title today also is, don't be fearful, guys. Don't fear markets. But I understand if you already are heavily invested and you are in a lot of losses, that's another story, because I can only talk about myself and my community because we have been out from the markets after my previous stop when I told everyone it's time to dump, cash out. So for us, it's different. And if you want to become like us, join us. The links are below. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on YouTube. That's all there is. If you want that. Well, okay, well, let's see. So I think Bitcoin will go down tomorrow. Wait for the CPR. But Dave, it really, you have that MW indicator. Just follow it on the lower time frames. For now, Bitcoin has hit the first resistance level. So that's number one. We've got the next one. So I already showed that in the beginning of the vid, and also the previous stream. Just go check that one. You'll see the resistance levels on Bitcoin. So we touched our first target in 59. So now we're going 60, 61. It depends all on what the US 500 is going to do, bro. That's the one that's going to do. Okay, Elon, then thank you very much. Guys, I want to thank everyone that's in here, especially also the ones that have been with me every freaking stream, that have been saving their life, saving their capital, saving their money, the ones that became millionaires shorting meme coins, the ones that are making daily gains, just like I keep teaching you. It's gain trading every day, again and again. We don't care about markets going up, Bitcoin to the moon, altcoin to the moon. We just don't care about that. We care about the end of the day. I have to be making my money and closing it in to the bank so I can do nice things for yourself or for your family or for your wife or your children, whatever it is. It's all about gain trading. There are no bulls, there are no bears. There is nothing like being bullish. There is nothing about being bearish. There is only making money every day, again and again and again and again as a pro. So educate yourself, dedicate yourself into this, and don't stop following all the circus acts and all the shows and all the news. Stop it. Just stop it. Focus. Use your brains and your energy only on how am I going to make money, and not how am I going to make other people a lot of money. To just keep following as a sheep herd, following their BS. Just don't do that. Focus on yourself. This is me. This is my personal situation. This is where I am. So I want to make money. I don't care about anyone else. I don't care about whatever project out there. I don't care about we're going to the moon or we're going to hell. I really don't give a damn. The only thing that you have to care about is how am I going to make money for myself today? Either it's a long or either it's a short. It just doesn't matter. Only focus on making money. Don't think long term, because when you think long term, it's fine. Buy in some altcoins, buy in some bottoms, close it in, put them on your ledger, and just forget about them and come back when they made a 10, 20x. But that's not what we're educating over here. We're educating how to make money every day, again and again and again, and doing it as professionals. And there is really nobody out there that dares to debate me about this, because he knows that I will kill his analysis. I'm based on facts. I never remove a tweet. All my YouTube vids are available, and all my predictions have been available. And I don't have a crystal ball. You know what I do? I'm dedicated. I'm a professional trader. That's what I am, and that's what I want to teach the retailers. That's what I want to teach you guys. And the most important part from all what I've been sharing today is that you protect your capital at all costs. Because it's not about winning gains, it's about not losing gains. When you don't lose a trade, that's when you're gonna win trades. So don't focus on the box of, I wanna get rich, I wanna buy a Lambo, I wanna buy this, I'm gonna get rich in crypto. Because that's what they're selling you, and that's how you're gonna get wrecked. 1,000,000%. No doubt about it. If you're gonna start looking for how I'm not gonna lose my capital, how I'm not gonna lose any trade, focus on that one. When you're gonna focus on that one, you'll see that you're gonna make those big gains that you're dreaming of. These are the facts, guys. I have been educating and I have been analyzing this for years, and I'm very dedicated. I don't sleep a lot. All I do is my eyes are on the charts, and I do it as no other. And I combine charts, I connect the charts. That's what I do. Thank you, Arch. This is the last stream, guys. So for the ones that want to join us, the BLOFIN link is below. We're going, the GTC community on BLOFIN is going to explode. I know this for sure. They're going to destroy every community out there the coming weeks. So if you want to join us, if you want to get access to this indicator, it's for free. You just have to be active trading on BLOFIN. If you're already trading on BLOFIN, you can just DM me your UID with the text, I wanna join the GTC community, and BLOFIN can flip you to our community. Also OKX or trade on Weex. I want to thank you all. I want to wish you guys a really great summer. Let's hope that there is a lot of peace in the world. Let's hope that all these wars get solved. Let's hope that we can just be happy with our families, be happy that children will not be hurt in the world. And no, peace is the word for 2024 and 2025, because the past years and months we're only talking about hate and a lot of pain in the world, and this has to stop. And to close up, the Netherlands need to win. So to all my English UK followers, let's make a great match out of it. And well, thank you. I love you all. And yeah, follow me on Twitter. I'll be active on Twitter. Thanks. Stay safe out there, and bye-bye.